What's up, YouTube? Day one of the cage. About to start taking the seats out. It's the homie Isaac, Mr. Fab man.
Hey, how you doing?
You slide it forward. Already got the first seat out. Excuse the mess. Dang, you see all my dirt, bro. Yeah, we're coming along nicely. Alright, we got the bucket seats out. Alright, we got it all laid out. We're ready for the fabrication. Let's get to it. So we don't really know what we're doing. There's no videos on this, but I'm gonna just go off of rip. I think like we'll probably cut a little bit off of this and shorten it a little and see if it fits, and chop as needed, little by little, because you can't put none back. And I guess we'll take you along for the ride, because we don't know what we're doing. All right, so we got the main piece in. We're gonna see how much we have to chop it. I'm thinking like 1/2 inch. Also, a little tip for anybody else that's trying to do this: go through the back doors, bro. Don't even bother like us. We went through the front, and I freaking scratched my freaking windshield with the bar. But it's cool. Like this is about to get replaced anyway, so we're good. But yeah, there's a little update. We're gonna have to shorten the feet. I'm thinking like 1/2 inch or so, and see how it lines up. It's too tall right now to go up, so upright. So barely. A little update on the install. So yeah, I think we might be cool. We just gotta shorten this enough to where it lines up with the little holes up top, but it's coming along nice. A lot better than I thought it would be. Let's get to it. Easy peasy. All right, Isaac, what are we doing?
I'm about to chop this $1,000+ cage because it doesn't fit.
Custom fabs, kid.
Custom fabs, bro.
A whole 3 inches? How much you about to cut?
2.5.
2.5 inches. It's about to get real, y'all. It's a nice blue finish too. Low key, I could have saved like $200 if I would have got just the black one. And I didn't realize it until after I ordered it. I was like, bruh, I could have saved some money just getting a black one, because I'm not even keeping this color. Tripping.
Alright, bro. Part of the game.
Facts. It's cool, man. I guess I get to see what it looked like, or if anybody on YouTube was wondering what this color looks like. It's pretty metallic.
EM1 blue.
It is. It's fire. Honestly, it's cool. If I had like a white, if my car was white or black, I probably would have kept it. But it's just my color is a different blue, so it is what it is. You feel me?
Ready?
Yeah. Sheesh. No going back. The little footsie.
Yep.
Oh, that shit's hot. Lick it real quick. All right, y'all, we got the cage just sitting in. We're still trying to figure out this back piece. So the bracket, I'm pretty sure it has it to where it floats.
Yeah, I got you.
So we're either gonna weld this plate onto the frame or try to put a bolt in here, but I think we have to drill through the hole and then put it, you know, through the frame. So we'll see. I don't know what we're gonna do, but for sure let you guys know on the little update. But this is what it is right now.
It's weird, man.
Man, we still haven't put the footing on yet. We're just trying to get this as precise as possible. So stay tuned, y'all. Got a little gap up here to play with. But this is it. I mean, the front, we didn't really have to touch the front footing. So all right, y'all, we're back. So we kind of came up with a little plan with the base. We kind of changed our mind on some things. We were gonna reuse the piece we cut off. I don't even know where we put it. So we were gonna reuse this footing, but changed our mind. We're gonna go a different route. So we went to the little metal store, got us some plates. We're gonna make a little box for this and then weld the footing into it. And before we do that, we figured we'll drill holes and bolt up the front footing, and then I guess try to put everything into shape, you know, tighten the roof and these bars, and then see where the footing lands, and we'll weld those, you know, get everything ready, and then I guess the rear, we'll worry about that last. So let's get to it. Alright, here for another update, y'all. So we like fabbed up a footing for this. The original one didn't really fit out with what we were trying to do, so we're kind of using what we got to make a new footprint. We had to move the fuel line. I believe these are fuel lines, the return and all that. I don't know, bro. I'm still learning this car shit. But we're getting there to the other side. About to start tacking and then trim the carpet and stuff. But here it is, man. Gotta figure out the back. Still working on it, work in progress. It sucks like the instructions don't do any justice. Like they don't tell us nothing. I think the best instructions they have are for the full cage that goes up and around the arch of the door. It comes down. This one's a half cage. It sucks. They don't talk about this when you're trying to buy one. They don't explain what a half cage is and a full cage. This is a half cage, so I basically only have like, it's basically a coupe now. So yeah, there it is. There's a little update. Cool, you can see through the front windshield. Niggas be pressed for pussy, ain't nothing. Instead of worrying about who got been fucking, run to get you some money. 9 times out of 10, she see me stunting. Game running, wanna know my hotel and who's gonna ring when she coming. I keep it 100. Get love from the hoes, but it's money over.
2 weeks later.
Alright, y'all, here's another update. So we got the Joan bolted up. It's in there. It's in this like official spot right now. As far as the legs and the back, we end up changing the plan a little bit. We reused the factory footings and just bolted them up. And then we had to use like washers to space it up a little bit because the floor is curved. But hey, it's legit though, it ain't going nowhere. And as far as these the last points, I bought some end caps, kind of similar. I'll show you guys, but it's perfect. Basically, we're gonna work some magic. The ones that came with this, they're kind of long, so we have to cut them short. I'll show you guys better once we cut them. Little progress update. Had to buy these little ends. Kind of see here. Had to buy these ends. Little custom fab. Chop the legs off to make it shorter. We're gonna weld that on. And it's weird, bro. Still this day, man. I'm like, I have no idea, like where this was supposed to mount. Like in the trunk, like. Nothing lines up for these. So yeah, that's what we ended up doing, chopping these off and adding those I don't even know what those they're in brackets or in adapters to make it work, make it a legit bolt on. We were gonna do some other stuff, but this is probably the most legit way.
This is scary right here, dog.
For real. Luckily they're not going forward, you know?
That's what you think, but
all the way, all the dash and shit.
It's gotta point it first.
Yeah.
Corners, that way you make sure where it is before you weld it all.
Yes.
So you can be able to move it.
Oh.